Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Truck Engine Diagnostics. What they are and how to understand them. When your truck's engine starts acting up, it's more than just an inconvenience, it could be a warning sign. Engine Diagnostics provide critical insights into what's happening under the hood, helping you catch issues early and avoid costly repairs. From performance problems to safety concerns, understanding these diagnostics is key to keeping your truck running smoothly. In this video, we'll break down what engine diagnostics mean and how they can help you stay ahead of potential problems. Understanding truck engine diagnostics. Truck engine diagnostics isn't just for mechanics, it's for anyone who wants to keep their truck running at its best. Modern trucks are equipped with powerful tools that monitor and analyze their performance, making it easier to spot problems before they become major headaches. Let's break down the basics so you can feel more confident the next time your truck flashes a warning light. What is engine diagnostics? Engine diagnostics is like a health check for your truck's engine. It involves using tools and software to assess how different systems are performing. When something's off, like a misfiring cylinder or failing sensor, the diagnostic system detects it and logs the issue. In simpler terms, it's your engine's way of saying, "I need attention, why does this matter?" Imagine driving with a hidden issue like a clogged fuel injector. It might not seem like a big deal at first, but over time, it can lower fuel efficiency or even damage the engine. Diagnostics help you catch these problems early, saving time and money. Key benefits of engine diagnostics include early detection of problems, prevents small issues from turning into expensive repairs. Improved efficiency, keeps your truck running smoothly by identifying performance dips. Safety checks, alerts you to issues that could compromise safety, like brake or transmission problems. In short, engine diagnostics is the first defense against breakdowns and long-term engine damage. How diagnostics work in modern trucks. The days of manually guessing what's wrong with your truck are long gone. Modern trucks use advanced technology to make diagnostics faster, easier, and more accurate. The heart of this system? The Onboard Diagnostics, OBD2, system. Here's how it works. Onboard computers capture data. Sensors located throughout the truck gather information on everything from fuel levels to exhaust emissions. Data gets analyzed. The OBD2 system processes this information, looking for anything out of the ordinary. Trouble codes are generated. When the system detects a problem, it creates a diagnostic trouble code, DTC. For example, a P0301 code indicates a misfire in cylinder 1. Information gets displayed. These codes can be read using a diagnostic scanner, giving you a starting point to investigate. Think of the OBD2 system as your truck's built-in detective. It constantly monitors performance, searching for clues that something is wrong. Modern diagnostics even go beyond just telling you a code. With newer trucks, these systems might offer live data, like engine temperature, fuel efficiency, and sensor performance, allowing you or your mechanic to pinpoint issues with greater detail. This level of precision means fewer trial and error repairs. Instead of tearing apart the engine looking for the problem, mechanics can go straight to the source. Understanding how diagnostics work doesn't just help you fix issues, it helps you stay proactive. Next time your truck's check engine light comes on, you'll know it's not just a nuisance, it's your truck trying to tell you something important. Common diagnostic tools used in trucks. Diagnosing truck engine problems is no small task, but with the right tools, it's much easier to pinpoint issues and get back on the road. Modern diagnostics rely on a mix of hardware and software designed to provide accurate insights. Here are some of the most commonly used tools in truck engine diagnostics. OBD2 scanners. An OBD2 scanner is one of the most essential tools for truck diagnostics. This compact device plugs into your truck's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard, to read diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, generated by the engine's onboard computer. How it works. The scanner retrieves error codes logged by the vehicle's onboard diagnostics system. Each code corresponds to a specific problem, like a failing oxygen sensor or a misfire in a particular cylinder. Many scanners also provide live data, such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, and fuel efficiency. Basic OBD2 scanners show the codes, while advanced ones explain what they mean and provide potential fixes. Some even connect to apps on your phone for added convenience. Think of it as your truck's interpreter, helping you understand why the check engine light is on. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY truck owner, this tool is a must-have for quick and accurate troubleshooting. Diagnostic software applications. Beyond handheld scanners, diagnostic software applications play a huge role in modern truck maintenance. These are programs that connect to your truck's onboard computer via a laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone. Popular examples include Cummins Insight, a top choice for those working on trucks with Cummins engines, providing detailed system data and repair information. Detroit Diesel Diagnostic Link, DDDL, perfect for diagnosing issues in Detroit diesel-powered trucks. JPro Professional. This is an all-in-one solution compatible with multiple truck brands and systems. These applications deliver advanced features that go beyond basic code reading, full system scans to detect issues in the engine, transmission, brakes, and more. Real-time monitoring of engine performance. Calibration tools to adjust settings like fuel flow or timing. Compared to standalone scanners, these applications offer deeper insights and customization. It's like upgrading from a flashlight to a floodlight. You see more of the problem and can address it comprehensively. Multimeters and pressure gauges. Not all diagnostics rely on computers. Some tools, like multimeters and pressure gauges, are critical for identifying specific issues that an onboard system might not catch. Multimeters. A multimeter measures electrical signals in your truck, such as voltage, current, and resistance. It's incredibly useful for testing batteries to see if they're holding a charge, checking alternators to ensure they're generating power properly, diagnosing wiring problems like bad connections or short circuits. If your truck won't start or certain electronics aren't functioning, a multimeter is your go-to tool. Pressure gauges. Pressure gauges measure the pressure in vital systems like fuel lines, turbochargers, or the cooling system. They help identify problems such as low fuel pressure, which could indicate a clogged filter or failing pump. Overpressured systems that might point to blockages or failing components. These tools give you straightforward, real-time measurements so you can zero in on the issue. They may not be flashy, but they're indispensable for detailed, hands-on diagnostics. Together, multimeters and pressure gauges provide the manual precision needed to double-check or complement your electronic diagnostic tools. Understanding these tools ensures you're not just guessing when something feels off. With the right equipment, you're equipped to catch problems before they grow into major repairs. Alright, that wraps up part 1. We've just scratched the surface of engine diagnostics. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll show you how to read those codes and troubleshoot issues. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.